Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we learned Boolean expression. In this video, we do some examples of Boolean expression. Page number 56, question number 3.4. Example number 3.4, part A. Question is, prepare a truth table. Prepare a truth table for the following Boolean expression, and the expression is x x bracket start y complement plus z complement plus x y complement. Okay, x y z, three variables are there, so we need the truth table of three variables. So write down x y z and write down 4 times 0, 4 ones, 2 times 0, ones, again 2 times 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now we need y complement. So you can write down here y complement. Here is 0. So complement means reverse. So write down 1, 0 again, 1, 1 reverse 0, 1 again 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 again 0 here. Okay. Now we need z complement this one. So you can write down here z complement. 0 revert in 1, 1, 0. Why? Because complement in revert. So 0 again 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 again 0 here. Now we need plus y complement plus z complement. So you can write down here y complement plus z complement. So you can add it 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0 again 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1 and 0 plus 0, 0 here. Okay. Now x bracket. So multiply. So you can multiply here x bracket y complement plus z complement. So here is 0 and here is 1 complement plus z complement. So you can multiply 0 multiply 1, 0, 0 multiply again 1, 0, 0 multiply 1, 0, 0 multiply 0, 0, 1 multiply 1, 1, 1 multiply 1, 1, 1 multiply 1, 1 and 1 multiply 0, 0 here. Clear? Now we need x y complement. So you can find out here x is there, y is here. So we can find out here x y complement. So x is 0 and y complement is 1 and we multiply, so 0. Again 0 multiply 1, 0, 0 multiply 0, 0, 0 multiply 0, again 0, 1 multiply 1, 1, 1 multiply 1, 1, 1 multiply 0, 0 and 1 multiply 0, again 0. Okay, now write down the answer. X y complement plus z complement plus. Now you can plus it plus with x y complement. So you can write down here x y complement plus z complement and then write down plus xy complement. So now you can plus it. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, again 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1, and 0 plus 0, again 0. So this is your truth table for Boolean expression x bracket y complement plus z complement plus xy. So this is your truth table. Okay. Now we take one more example here. You can take here example number C, and the expression is truth table for A bracket start B complement plus C plus C complement, one more bracket here, and then bracket close. Okay, now A, B, C, three variables are there, so we need the truth table of three variables. Write down A, B, and C, and then write down 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 2 times 0. We know about that, how to prepare this truth table. These are the possible combination of true and false, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now we need B complement. So you can write down here B complement, and this is our B. So you can write down 0 revert in 1, then again 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Now we need C complement here. So you can write down C complement. C complement. So here is zeros, then convert in 1, 1 convert in 0, again 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now we need B complement plus C. So you can write down here B complement plus C. So B complement here and C is there. So you can plus it. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, and 1 plus 0, your 1. Okay, now we need plus C complement. We solve this first, then we can multiply with the A. Now you can solve B complement plus C and plus C complement here. Okay, now you can add this. 1 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, and 0 plus 1, 1 again. Now A, this A. Now you can multiply with A. So you can write down here A bracket start, again bracket, B complement plus C bracket close plus C complement, then bracket close. Now you can add this, multiply with A, and A is here 0. First is 0 and this one is 1. So you can multiply 0 multiply 1, 0, again 0 multiply 1, again 0, 0 multiply 1, 0, 0 multiply 1, 0, and 1 multiply 1, 1, again 1 multiply 1, 1, again 1 multiply 1, 1, and again 1 multiply 1 is your 1. Okay, so this is your answer 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the truth table of A, B complement plus C complement. We take one more example here. Today I have sent the assignment, and in an assignment your question number 1 is in Boolean algebra verify using truth table that, and the truth table is your, you can write down here, truth table of x plus xy is equal to x. So x comma y in 0 and 1. So we need 0 and 1. So you can write down x and y. Two variables are there. So we need the two variables possible combination. So you can write down here x, y, in x 0 0 1 1 and 0 1 0 1. And now you can find out x multiply y. So you can multiply x y. 0 multiply 0 0, 0 multiply 1 0, 1 multiply 0 0, and 1 multiply 1 1. Now you can find out x plus x y. So x is 0, xy is 0 0, x is 0, xy is 0 0, x is 1 and xy is 0 1, and here is 1 and xy also 1, so you are 1. Now you can see here, this is your x plus xy 0 0 1 1, and here is your x 0 0 1 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so this is the truth table of expression x plus xy is equal to x. In our assignment, question number 2 is assignment question number 2 here. So in question number 2, in the Boolean algebra, verify using truth table that is x bracket start x plus y bracket close whole complement is equal to x complement y complement. Okay, for each x comma y in 0 and 1. So you can find out here, we need x and y, possible combination of x and y. So you can write down here x y, and you can write firstly 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Now x plus y, so you can write down here x plus y. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, and 1 plus 1 1 here. Now find out the complement x plus y whole complement. So 0 convert in 1 and 1 convert in 0. Again 1 convert in 0. Again 1 convert in 0. Now we need x complement y complement. So you can write down here x complement first. So 0 convert in 1. Again 0 convert in 1. Again 1 convert in 0. Again 1 convert in 0. Now I need y complement. 0 convert in 1, 1 convert in 0, 0 convert in 1, and 1 convert in 0 here. So now we find out this one, x complement y complement. So you can write down x complement y complement means multiply here. So 1 multiply 1, 1, 1 multiply 0, 0, 0 multiply 1, 0, and 0 multiply 0 is your 0. So hence it's also proved x plus y whole complement is equal to x complement y complement. 1 0 0 0, here also 1 0 0 0. So again, hence it proved left hand side is equal to right hand side here. Okay, your question number 3 is give truth table for the Boolean expression x plus y complement and then whole complement, and we need only two table here. So you can write down the possible combination of x and y here. So simple write down x y 0 0 1 1 and 0 1 0 1. Now need y complement, so you can write down y complement here, and 0 convert in 1 1 0, again 1 again 0. Now we need x plus y complement. So here is our x and here is our y complement. So you can add this 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 1, and 1 plus 0 again 1. 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 1, and 1 plus 0 1. Okay, now we need whole complement, so you can write down here x plus y complement and whole complement. 1 convert in 0, 0 convert in 1, again 1 convert in 0, and again 1 convert in 0. So this is the truth table for your x plus y complement and then whole complement here. uh, your next question here is draw the truth table of the Boolean equation. Draw the truth table of Boolean expression, and the expression is, now we do the assignment question number 4 here, and the question is A part, A here. So M is equal to N bracket P plus R bracket close. Draw the truth table of the following equation. We draw the truth table here, no problem here. Now we need the three variable here, N, P, R. So you can write down here N, P, R. N, P, R. So three variable table need we here. Write down 4 times 0, 4 times 1, then 2 times 0, 2 times 1, again 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 here. Now we need P plus R, so you can find out here P plus R. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, and 1 plus 1 is 1 here. Now N, P plus R, so multiply with the N. So 0 plus multiply 0 0, 0 multiply 1 0, 0 multiply 1 again 0, 0 multiply 1 0, 1 multiply 0 0, 1 multiply with 1 1, again 1 multiply with 1 1, and 1 multiply with 1 here also. Okay. Now your last question here is assignment last question, question number 5th. Using truth table, prove that. Now we need the proof also. So you can write down here assignment question number 5th, and write down equation first. A B plus B C plus C A complement is equal to A B plus C A complement. Okay, we need to prove it. So A, B, C. Three variables are there. So we need the possible combinations of three variables here. So you can make the table of three variables A, B, and C. So write down A, B, C, 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times again 0, 2 times 1, and in C 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, now we need A multiply with B, so you can write down here A B. So A multiply with B, 0 multiply 0 0, 0 multiply 0 again 0, 0 multiply 1 0, 0 multiply 1 0, 1 multiply 0 0, 1 multiply 0 again 0, 1 multiply 1 1, and 1 multiply 1. Okay, now we need B C, so you can write down here B C. So here is our, this is our B and this is our C. So you can multiply 0 with 0, 0, 0 with multiply 1, 0, 1 multiply 0, 0, 1 multiply 1, 1, 0 multiply 0, 0, 0 multiply 1, 0 again, 1 multiply 0, 0, and 1 multiply 1, 1 here. Now we need C A complement. So you can first need the A complement here. So you can find out A complement first. And A complement is our 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we need C A complement. So you can multiply with the C. Here is C and here is A complement. Okay, you can multiply this. 0 multiply 0 multiply 1, 0, 1 multiply 1, 1, 0 multiply 1, 0, 1 multiply 1, 1, 0 multiply 0, 0, 1 multiply 0, 0, 0 multiply 0, 0, and 1 multiply 0, again 0 here. Okay, so now we need the addition. Addition of which? AB plus BC plus CA complement. So first you can find out the AB plus BC, and then you can find out plus CA complement also. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, again 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, again. Okay, and now we need AB plus CA complement. So you can write down here A B plus CA complement. AB plus CA. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So hence prove AB plus BC plus CA complement and AB plus CA complement. So hence here we proved left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so this is the Boolean expression here. In next class we discussed logical gate. So thank you so much for watching this video and all the best for your UT's exam.